Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video from Face Paint Forum Shop. Today we'll be painting a one-stroke butterfly. Typically this is for the cheek, but you can paint it on the arm too. So here's the direction we're going to take the first wing. I'm using my 5/8 angled Protege wash, and I've loaded it with this beautiful fun stroke. It's actually from the Color Punch palette. So here we're going to create a leaf shape for the top wing. I'll add a bump. And now we'll create the bottom wing. The bottom of any butterfly wing should always be smaller than the top wing. Here I'll reload just so I can get a really good color application. I'll spray some iridescent glitter, and I've got my Lowell Cornell round number 3 loaded with Superstar Plum. This is going to be the outline color. So I'll follow exactly what I did with the wings. I'll come around and create a little swirl for fun. Outline the bottom wing. And add another curl. I'm going to stamp my brush, pull down, and that'll create the body for the butterfly. I'll add a swirl for one antenna and a teardrop for the next. You can be done here, add glitter, but I'm going to take it up a notch and use my Mark Reed Lily brush to create flowers. This is a really great petal brush. So I've double dipped, which means I've loaded my brush with DFX white and then only dip the tip of it in a dark blue shade to get this color combination. I'll add plum dots in the center of the flowers. Now I've got my Lowell Cornell round number 3 loaded with DFX white. I've added dots just to the darker parts of the butterfly, and I wanted to add a little more embellishment. So I'll add swirls and teardrops, and I'm being very light on my brushwork. That way I can get the thin embellishment lines. Now I've got Superstar Green, it's the lighter green, and I'm just pressing my brush down, stamping it to create those leaves. Now this is also a Lowell Cornell round number 3 brush. I'll add Face Paint Forum Shop's chunky glitter, this one's called Tiger Lily, and you're done. Thank you so much for watching everyone, I hope this helped, and remember that you can pick up all these products and so much more at Face Paint Forum Shop.